Hi, my name is Bob and welcome to the homestead, y'all. In this video, we're going to change out our broken latches on a Yeti cooler. Okay, well this is real simple and easy. All you need is a screwdriver and a new set of latches. Now I didn't buy the Yeti latches. They say Yeti on them, the original ones. I ordered some off Amazon. There came 4 in a pack. There's 2 here, 2 here. They were about half the price, so we'll see. These original ones lasted, I don't know, 7, 8 years, so they lasted quite a while. One thing I have noticed about the new ones is they're softer rubber, so I'm not sure if they're going to last as long or not, but we'll see. So let's get to it. Okay, so take the old one out. Just take your screwdriver, just pry it in here, this little pin, and that'll slide right out until you can pull the broken one out, just like that. Alright, and then take your new one, line it up in there. You can just wiggle it a little bit, and then take your finger and push it in all the way. That easy. Okay, now let's do the other side. Okay, so here's the other side. This pin's out a little, so it's going to be a little bit easier, I guess. Oh, there went the broken one. So we'll take the other new one. Like I said, these don't say Yeti like the originals did, but I'm not too worried about that. So that one's a little stiffer, but there we go. So it's that quick and easy. That has both our latches replaced. Didn't take but a couple minutes. We'll see if these last half as long as the originals. I went ahead and got the orange ones because we live in Tennessee, so we're Vols fans. So I thought that would make it pop a little bit. But you can order about any color you want on them. So if you have any questions or comments how to replace these latches, please leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.